Gear up for the ultimate biking experience on the 1st of Feb as JN Suzuki presents the Riding Fest. Come be a part of the sporty rideverse. Kumshibanta kajing Rakhe ka National Voters Day ka bakhat san bat ka bajupun long manlaw snam ha ka arpusan tre ukula lingkot araja arpusan ka Office of Chief Electoral Officer CEO ka Meghalaya ka lapen long ya ka jing penbam smai lani ka Voters Pledge ya ki noy shimbanta bat samru ki khusnam ringkat ka song pisa se ki nong job ha ki lempung jing ko baper bakatai ka tanat trai kam ka lapen long hapok ka jella Hakaning sengi ulat gejala UCH Bejaya Shankar ulawan bansyem ya kebenta kumukongsan hakabalay don lang daw ba DP wa lang Chief Secretary kakong Rosetta Mary Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District u Dr. BDR Tiwari CEO gejala kinong elam sengsan pertai nalor kiwei de Shua hakajing lang Rakhe la pelat pat ba ya light lagi kot kata ka Lok Sabha election araja arpusau ka online survey of knowledge attitude practice KAP of citizens but ka information book on general election to Lok Sabha araja arpusau Nalor kene ulat ka jalla ula Ïaroh ban IT ya light lagi epic card jong nong tap vote ki bakamarat retatam balapen po ya ka program da ka jingroi na ka kenhon ubnai bat ki weipat nakaliang ulat ka jalla pat ulaong ba ka jalla Meghalaya ka de ka jalla hari India ka jalla ka ba iet ya ka sokasan bat ka ba shembenta hak ha ka election da ka jingjai bat ka jingket khli Ule thu lengkot ru ya ka jingya lenti jo kumuriu san hima ha ka por bole kon ya ka election hado khandai sin
Today as we celebrate the 15th National Voters Day, a day dedicated to honoring the essence of democracy and the crucial role in each one of us plays in shaping the future of our nation. On this day, the Election Commission of India recognizes the importance of every voter as their participation forms the foundation of vibrant democracy. In India, every vote counts, as our Honorable Chief Secretary told earlier. In India, every vote counts. Our Constitution guarantees all citizens the fundamental right to vote, irrespective of the gender, caste, religion or socio-economic status. This right is in our democracy and empowered individuals to participate in the electoral process. As we observe National Voters Day today, let us reflect on the immense privilege we have as a citizen of India. Our democracy gives us the opportunity to say the future, to hold our leaders accountable, and to ensure that our voices are heard. The act of voting is powerful, and it is a responsibility we must all embrace with pride and commitment. I urge all citizens, especially the youth, to register as voters, to educate themselves about the candidates and issues, and most importantly, to exercise the right to vote in every elections. As I have been told earlier, in my speech, every vote counts. Before I assumed this charge as a governor of Meghalaya, I have been contested 9 of the general elections. 6 of the parliament, 2 of the assembly, 1 is legislative council. I was in assembly as assembly member. Twice I was a member of parliament from Mysore, 98 and 2004. Again, I had come back to state politics. I was a legislative council member, and I was a minister also in the state government. I have been served as a forest minister. As I have been told you, I have been contested 9 of the elections. The accountability, every 5 years we have to go before the voters. We are answerable ultimately. Until unless we win the hearts of a common man, again we cannot come back to the house. The second parliament elections, I won the elections against Maharaja of Mysore. As you know, the Maharaja of Mysore, their background, common voter, he has got lots of sentiments towards that family. Traditional background is there, spiritual background is there, legacy is there. Even then also, ultimately people defeated Maharaja of Mysore and allow me to go to parliament to serve as a parliament member. It shows until unless we win the heart of a common man, we win the heart of a common voter, we cannot come back and assume charge of either MLA or MLC or even from the local elections. This is the beauty of the democracy, I tell you. But the values, we have to think in that way. Moral values. When I contested the first assembly election during 1991, around about 34 years back, I went defeated narrowly, just 1,500 votes. I was able to take 40,000 votes in the assembly election. Though I have been defeated narrowly, 1,500 votes. 35 years back. We have seen those days also, and today election also we are able to see. The differences we are able to find. Ultimately, who is responsible? If at all morally we have come down, ultimately we are responsible. If something goes wrong, you have no any other alternative way other than democracy. This is the duty of each and every citizen to see that the system should remain forever. It is not a responsibility of any individual. It is a responsibility of each and every citizen of this country. In that way, Election Commission is conducting this kind of functions only to create awareness in the mind of the common man, to understand the importance of each and individual voter. I am really very thankful to all of you people who have been conducted this function on behalf of the Election Commission. I have been invited here and to be part of this program today. I thank you, and let us all celebrate the spirit of democracy by casting our votes with integrity and enthusiasm.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ika dur jengki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Rak Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya